Chicken here. Chicken here. Oh, come on, let the chicken. The TNT at least. What's a big carrot? What's that yucky? Yeah. Carrots are mucky. Yucky, mucky, yucky, mucky. Please. Carrots are so disgusting. Oh, please. Eat some food. The chicken in here. What the hell? It's a human head! What the? What Freddy? Hello? Hello, you okay? What happened? I fell down the garbage chute. You what? How did you fall down the garbage chute? Well, I was looking for chicken in the park. Then I found it. Then I found a human head. So I like, ah! Then I fell down. And how did you get out of it? Oh, I had to climb out of it using like this slimy stuff. Oh, disgusting. So looks like human skull down there. Okay, wait. May I ask? You literally killed the security guard last week. How are you scared of the head? It's just so creepy. Only I bite it off. I don't have to see it. Oh. Well, you stay right. Where's Brick? Brick and Stone. You stay right here. What? You can't leave me. Yep. I'm just gonna go and see where Stone went, and some other stuff. See if anybody's back yet. And you just you wait in the parts and service room for me. Jesus Christ. Ugh. What's the ink? Stone? Stone! Hi, buddy. Stone? How the hell did you keep moving everywhere? I'm really confused. Well, but anyway, well, they're not back. I need to clean this up. Yeah. I need to this down the garbage chute. It's very unneeded. Yep. Anyway. Yeah, I can't be bothered. I can't bother to go up there. Probably not even here. Is Bonnie or Bon back? Hello? No, still gone. Where did everybody go? So, what was that with that dead? Or is it bathtub living? Yeah, bathtub living guy. Whatever his name was. I'm Freddy. You in here? Sorry, I keep getting something stuck in my throat. Okay. It's in Bonnie's place, but I don't think that changes anything. What's this button do? Please insert 5 or more carrots. Yep, you might want to sit in some... Just go up there and sit in mine. So I don't think mine will... Yeah. You know. Yup. Jesus. Oh yeah, I did find chicken down there. Wonder who threw it out. So, there's no button for mine. Can you get somebody else? Nope, I don't know. Nobody else is here still. Let me look at that. There's well, I'll order some eyeballs and some fabric. Then you'll be fine. Just turn around so you can't see anymore. Okay. Okay. Ow! What's wrong? You're missing a massive hole, a chunk in your back bit. If you don't get that finished fix, you can't. Don't run anywhere. Don't fall anywhere. Don't get hit up anywhere. Don't get hit, especially in the back, or fall on your back. Oh, you might die. Anyway, what does the lever do? Nope, lever is not doing it. Boxes. Now a lever or a button. Maybe this is it. Oh, what the hell? Are you okay? Yeah, I'm just a bit broken. I'm Foxy the Pirate Fox. Wait, no, I'm not. I'm chicken. What the hell? It's showtime. Funtime Freddy? Yeah. Hello. That's not good. That is not good. That is not good one bit. That's a very big problem. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. What do I do? Hey, puppet. Go in the... Can you go? I know it'll make me feel better. What? Let me guess, chicken. Yeah, go and get me some chicken then. Come straight back, please. Fine, I know it should hurt. If we even have chicken, nobody's done the food shopping well. Not, I mean, we can't really do the food shopping, so stay right there and don't move. Wait, or you'll hurt yourself. Oh my god. Oh, those. We need to order a new fridge. This kitchen's a mess. We need to get a new kitchen. Nope, nothing there. Carrots. Why are there so many carrots? Cookies. Oh, biscuits. Chicken. I found some chicken. Hey, Funtime Freddy. Found some chicken. By the way, he's walking. If that's you, get back. Stop. Hello. What's that? Funtime Freddy? Hey, Funtime Freddy? Funtime Freddy? Hello. I feel better. I feel much better now. I'll give you that chicken. Okay, here you go. Thank you, thank you. Ah, why did you hit me? Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. Just, oh, it's showtime! Ow! I'm sorry. Kill him, kill him. I can't control myself. Ow! Ow! That's, get chicken! Get away from me. Freddy, Freddy, Freddy! Help, help, help! Funtime Freddy's gone mad. Balloon boy, please! Ah, 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 ow! Escape box! No! That's me! Ah, you're the one trying to kill me! Lock! You can't step on the pickles. Ah, ah. Hi, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. Hello? Hey, Funtime Freddy, we can talk about this. I don't wanna kill you. Kill him, kill him. Don't step on the sea pickles. Kill him. What?